Let's make a record. Hello buddies, this is Ueno. I'm at Ueno Onshi Park, Tokyo, Japan now. Today I'm going to get on the swan boat to show you the view of the Shinobazu pond from the boat. Let's go and see it. This is the boat wharf of Ueno Onshi Park. I'm going to get on the boat. The fee of the swan boat is 700 yen. It's about $7 per 30 minutes. We need to pay to cashier before I get on it. Once we pay, he will take me to the boat. This beautiful pink swan boat is my partner for today. This is the inside of the swan boat. There's a handle in the middle and two pedals right and left side of the handle. And behind the seat, we can put stuffs. Okay, I'm ready. Let's have a journey with great view of Shinobazu pond from the swan boat. Shinobazu pond is separated into three parts. One's for Ueno-tsu, the other one is for lotus pond, and last one is here for the boat. In the spring, a lot of cherry blossom is blooming around the pond. It's so magnificent. It's better to come and see it once. It's really beautiful. I walked around Ueno Onshi Park and published the videos. Great walking view in those videos, and of course, lotus part of the Shinobazu pond too. So if you are interested in, check the description box below. I put links for the videos. Or information button is there. I guess top right. You can also watch the videos from the links. Please enjoy the view for a moment. Okay buddies, let's move on to the next level. Main purpose of the video is not only showing the great view of the pond. I will make a world record of racing swan boat. I will pedal the swan boat and go around the pond. And I will record how much time it takes. I will start from wharf side And I will try to pedal along with the edge of the pond as much as possible. Let's make a record. Okay, I'm ready. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Go, 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 go. I'm fast. What? I'm gonna hit the wall. It's almost there. No, not there. Okay, yeah. It's safe now. Oh no, it's so huge. How much time it takes? But I will do it. I will make a world record. I'm a number 1 in the world. Come on. This is kind of tough. I'm already tired to pedal the snowboard. How much speed is this? 10 kilometers? Alright. Camera. Wow. I lost the time. The camera was about to drop off. Wow. I'm gonna hit the wall. I cannot carve the corner. Wow. Okay. The gate, the fence is assist me, support me. Okay. Go. It's almost halfway to along the pond. I reach the other side of the pond. Hurry up. Come on. I can do it. Better faster. Faster. I make the code. Okay. What a long straight way now. He's an idiot. It's nearly good day. I'm sweating. Faster. Okay. Street. He walks along with me, but actually he's faster than me. How come I'm turning so fast, but how come he's faster than me? That's the idiot. I cannot believe that. I'm tired, but I can do it. I can do it. Okay, I can do it. Sorry, I cannot comment. Curve. The corner. I need to make it. Okay. That's better. Better than the one we did before. Very nice. I'm getting used to it. Okay. I'm hungry. Very nice. Yes. Hello, ducks. Wow. Almost there. Almost there. No, I need to pedal through the wall. So, a tough challenge though. Come on. I'm tired. I was feeling too slow. I cannot believe that. Okay, it's almost there. You can see that wall. And now I need to go through the wall and then go. I will make it. Time passed. What is the record now? Yeah, I'm sweating. It's almost there. Okay. Stuff. Little things line the boat, I make it. That's the finish. That's the end of the race. When I go through there, I make it. finish. Yeah, I made it. Wow. Wow. It hot. My back hot. Okay, I'm gonna tell you the result of the racing. The record is 10 minutes and 31 seconds. Woo! I've done it. I'm the number one. I made a world record of pedaling around the Shinobazu pond with swan board. I don't know it's fast or not, but it's okay as long as I made it. I am a world record holder. I'm waiting for challenges. Your challenge. That's all for today. How was the video? If you like it, click like button below and subscribe to the channel. I have social media accounts: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Links are in the description box, so please follow me. If you have any questions or things you want to see or things you want me to try, give me a comment. I'm looking forward to them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.